Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App instantly in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or managing your finances on the go, this process can save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure both your PayPal and Cash App accounts are set up and verified. In 2025, security is tighter than ever, so double-check that your accounts are linked to a valid email, phone number, and preferably a bank account. This step is crucial for smooth transfers. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account on your app or website. Head over to your wallet or balance section and look for the Transfer to Bank or Withdraw Funds option. If you have a linked bank account, select it. Pro tip: in 2025, PayPal might offer instant transfers if your bank supports real-time payments, so choose that if available to speed things up. Once you've initiated the transfer from PayPal to your bank, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on your bank's policies. Now, switch to your Cash App. Open the app and go to the Banking tab, usually represented by a bank icon. Here, you'll add money by linking the same bank account you just transferred to. Step 2. In Cash App, select Add Cash and choose your bank account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure it matches what you sent from PayPal. If everything's linked correctly, this should process almost instantly, especially with 2025's advanced banking integrations. Keep an eye out for any fees. Transfers might incur charges from PayPal, your bank, or Cash App, so check the details beforehand to avoid surprises. Also, remember that while we're aiming for instant transfers, processing times can vary based on your location and bank. And there you have it. That's how you get your money from PayPal to Cash App quickly and efficiently. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support for both apps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. See you next time.